Perfect. What's up, everybody? My name is Tyler. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to sell things on eBay fast. And no, that's not like some sort of, fancy hack or anything like that. I have resorted to going to eBay, which obviously is very popular. A lot of people sell stuff on there. But one of the things I noticed when I went back to sell on eBay was that a lot of people's photos of what it is that they're trying to sell look like crap. It's usually like somebody's bedroom floor, or I'm sure people have seen the memes where people are trying to take pictures of mirrors and have a really hard time doing that. So I decided why not make a video showing you guys how to sell your products much faster by doing one simple thing, and that's just taking better photos. Now, in order to do this, you really only need like two things. One of which you already have because you're probably watching this video on it, and that's gonna be a phone. And you're gonna use your phone as a camera because not everyone has big cameras, and you really don't need one, honestly. I actually just recently took some product photos for a couple things that I just sold on eBay, and now maybe I'll toss those up here. You can see I took those on the iPhone 13, no big deal. The other big thing is lights, and no, you don't need a big expensive light like I have right there. We're gonna use this tiny little ring light right here. As you can see, you've probably seen this in many of my videos. This little cheap desk ring light, I don't know what it's called or where I got it, but literally any sort of ring light or any light really. You don't need anything fancy. The only thing I will say is do not use any sort of overhead lighting because it's very likely not going to be enough light. And when it comes to these kinds of things, light is pretty much everything. Now, bonus item, if you are really wanting to go the extra mile, if you will, $7 poster board goes a really long way, and I'll show you a couple product shots I've done using poster board. So I'm gonna go grab that real quick. So I've got two different colors here. I've got black, and I've got gray, and then on the other side is white, and on the other side is more black. So those are the two colors I usually prefer to use. That's gonna help kind of isolate your product alone so that it looks the most appetizing, I guess. I don't know if that's the right word, but that's one thing I've learned is that I'm able to sell things a lot faster than most people simply because my product photos look a lot better. So let's get into it. Okay, for the rest of this video, I'm probably just going to do this view so you guys can kind of see what I do in this whole sort of process thing, because I mean, it's just easier that way, so buckle up. Now I'm basically just gonna prop these up in no special or fancy way. I don't even use tape or anything fancy like that. I literally just find anywhere that I can prop this up. I might even use my cup of coffee to do it. So I'm just gonna use my light to kind of clamp down that, and then I'm gonna put this as sort of the bottom, and there you go, boom. Now I'm gonna go move my chair out of the way, and then I'm gonna use my backdrop. And honestly, you don't even need like a backdrop. I just thought of this, if you can actually bring whatever table you're taking the pictures on far enough away from whatever wall you're at and make it dark enough in the background, you can actually create this black abyss effect without actually having seamless paper back there. Honestly, my advice is just don't have your background be like your dirty bedroom, with your laundry on the floor, or like your kitchen with the dishes all over the place, like clean the place up a little bit, you know what I mean? So the first thing I'm gonna take pictures of is going to be these DJI FPV drone goggles. So usually what I like to do is if it has a case, I'll take the product itself out. If it has accessories, like this has a box of accessories here, I will take this out. Let's see if I can't slide that forward, get my phone out. So, with that being said, you pull your camera out. So I'm gonna go for kind of a wide shot up top. I like to shoot down over whatever it is that I'm shooting. And I'm just gonna grab a quick little snap, just like that. Maybe get one like this. All right, so that's probably gonna do it for the actual photo part. In terms of editing these, it's up to you. I'm not going to add a whole section to this about editing them just because I don't think it's super necessary. I'm probably gonna edit them just a little bit and just make some slight adjustments, and I'll probably throw up some of the final shots just to show you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was somewhat useful. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment if you have any questions, and make sure, as always, to subscribe because it very much helps me continue to make videos. So thank you very much, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Goodbye. The video's over now. You can go home. All right, we're gonna cut. We're gonna cut my life into pieces.